Hi. Today I've brought you something that'll make it a hell of a lot easier for you to create professional quality graphic designs in seconds without any skills. I'm talking about creating stunning graphics for infographics, gift certificates, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, Pinterest posts, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, YouTube covers, Pinterest posts, Twitter headers, LinkedIn posts, Instagram posts, business cards, Kindle/ebook covers, YouTube channel art, Twitter headers. How do you get stunning graphic designs if you have absolutely no designing and technical skills? One thing you can't do is steal someone else's work. This can result in fines, legal costs, and penalties. So what about paying a designer to make your graphics? Well, we went to the world's premier outsourcing marketplace, Upwork. And here's the ad that we placed. We waited for the quotes to come back, and they did. As you can see, no one would do the work for less than $10,000 for the graphics we specified. Imagine if you had to be $10,000 out of pocket. What would that do to your business? Would you have to cut down on other investments, not pay employees, get into debt? Doesn't bear thinking about, does it? Also, you'd have to wait months to get the complete pack. And that's without any revisions. Yikes. Okay, what about buying images from a stock site such as Shutterstock? You can pay per image, but this is extremely expensive. For example, the image below will cost you £375. Just one image a day would amount to 10,000 pounds. That's $13,000. This is just not sustainable for almost any company, let alone someone starting out. What about a monthly plan then? Shutterstock's lowest plan costs $19 per month, and that only gets you 10 images a month. It's not enough for anyone. 50 images is £75 per month. 750 images is £149 per month. You see, the price becomes exorbitant if you need a lot of images, which we all do. And who can afford this ongoing overhead? What other monthly payments would you have to cut in order to pay for this? Your car? Insurance? Wages? Rent? No thanks. This is why I set about creating a solution to these problems to make this important process immediate and affordable to everyone. As a successful marketer, I'm all too aware of the need to grab my customers' attention in the first nanosecond they land on my pages. It's why I've set out my mission to be the premier provider of high-quality, affordably priced design in the marketplace. If you're like me and don't want to be waiting weeks toing and froing with a designer only to get something that was not what you wanted, you want the best design, you want it now, and you don't want to have to pay exorbitant fees for it. Although there have been a few tools that were launched to solve this problem, they were lacking in some area or the other. Either they took too much of your time or weren't as easy peasy as they claimed to be. Not only do good designs save you money, they also make you loads of money. How? Keep reading. By selling social media graphics. People are making a full-time income and more by selling high-quality graphic-related gigs on Fiverr. Zoe, age 27, went from zero to over $100,000 a year income in just a year with her graphic design business. Cammy quit his job as an electrician in Boston to take up graphic design as a full-time job, grossed over $200,000 in income his first year. In fact, a report has it that freelancers offering graphic design as a service on Fiverr grossed over $2 billion in just over a year. I was making $800 a month as a teacher, and in September 2020, I made $5,200 on Fiverr with my graphic design skills. I've generated over $90,000 in 2021 alone. Take a look at Cindy and Josh from Allo, who sold $79,888.53 worth of graphics and visual images while traveling the world. Or Beth from Handcraft Films, who earned six figures selling stock photos online. You can see some of her sales below. Or this seller making thousands a month as a graphics creator on Fiverr. Or this Fiverr gig here, which made $12,000 in 6 months. Simon, Quote Jungle, has done over 12,000 gigs and got over 1,353 reviews in 12 months as a graphic designer with an average sale of $175 per design. Over $2 million in income. The possibilities are endless. What if you can get these kinds of graphics and more for a low one-time cost? Sound like a dream? It doesn't have to be. Introducing DesignPay. All these graphics were created by me with DesignPay without any designing skills or the technical mind to use complicated tools, because frankly, I don't have the time to learn Photoshop. I got a business to run here. Here's what's included with DesignPay. Fully cloud-based software with millions of designs, all of which are editable. 650 fully loaded design templates. With Design, you get access to 650 premium design templates across different niches. Use these templates for any of your work or even charge your clients for these designs at your own price. Stunning ready-made design agency website. Highly optimized cold call email sequence. Print-ready commercial graphics templates for design service, business card, letterhead, invoices, trifold brochure. 2,500 plus people's cutout images and ping images. 8,000 plus HD videos worth $15 each. 60,000 plus HD images worth $1 each, estimated worth $60,000. 25,000 plus vector graphics bundle worth $1 each, estimated worth $120,000. 750 plus Ultra HD 4K videos worth $25 each, estimated worth $18,750. 8,000 plus HD videos worth $15 each, estimated worth $120,000. Resized designs at any size. 2.5 plus million stock photos. You can have access to millions of stock photos in our editor across any niche or category. The best thing about these stock photos is that they are copyright free, which means you can use them on your personal and commercial projects. In-depth editing tools. DesignPay comes loaded with all editing tools such as formatting, alignment, image filters, and effects and font manipulation. This way you can create whatever you've imagined in seconds with no design experience required. Multiple download options. Once your designs are ready, you can download them in multiple formats such as transparent PNG, JPEG, and PNG. These designs can now be used for any purpose you like without any restrictions. Over 1,000 plus fonts. More than 1,000 plus fonts are available for you to apply in your designs. All our design templates have been made using the premium fonts used by top companies. Regular template updates. All our designers are working around the clock and providing the best experience for our users. In addition to the 200 plus design templates, we will constantly add 30 plus fresh designs related to each category so that you have a constant flow of templates to choose from. Constantly get access to thousands of background images and fully customizable vector graphics to use in your projects royalty-free. Download options: JPEG, PNG, PNG transparent, borders, shadow, and opacity, multiple SVG and gradient colors identifier, custom shapes, canvas pan, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, YouTube covers, Pinterest posts, Twitter headers, resized templates to any size, amazing logos, LinkedIn posts, Instagram posts, business cards, Kindle/ebook covers, resized templates to any format or size, access to 1 million plus premium icons, unlimited downloads, and more. The list is endless. DesignPay gives you everything you need to start a business and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Enter DesignPay. It provides all of the above and more. Besides this, DesignPay comes with very limited commercial license that'll allow you to tap into a unique opportunity to enter the $45.8 billion graphics freelancing industry. As we've shown you, there are tons of businesses that need your services. They'll pay top dollar to you when you deliver top-notch services to them. We've taken care of everything so that you can deliver those services simply and easily. You need to stop paying extortionate money to freelancers, hiring designers that think they're God's gift to the world, using tools that were not meant for non-designers like you and me, asking for favors from friends and family to help you out with designs. It's time to take full control of your business, including making it look good. It's your business, it's your vision, and it's your responsibility to make sure that everything on your website and on your social media reflects that vision. And a designer, no matter how creative, can never capture what you feel about your business, but just can't put it into words. Only you can do that. I invite you to join these happy customers and take full control of how your business looks. Your small investment is backed by our ironclad 365-day money-back guarantee. Try DesignPay, and if you aren't absolutely blown away, feel free to reach out to us within 365 days and get your money back right away. So go ahead, click on the button below, and we'll see you on the inside.